Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Seema. So as you all know guys, today is Independence Day, and this is a very special occasion for us. And on this day we all Indians celebrate Independence Day, and this is very special for every Indian, everyone. So because on this day we remember sacrifice of our freedom fighters, and on this day our India became independent for British rule 15th August 1947. So that's why this is a very special day for us guys. Before we are not free for doing everything, but now we are free for our education, our what we want to do. So then we can if we want to study, we can study without any foundation. And you can say there is no anything what we cannot do, and that will be guys, that will be right thing. I'm not saying everything that's right or wrong. We are free for everything. So guys, on this special occasion we have to decide, and we have to decide this next on 15th August we have to be fluent, and you have to decide this. So I think I cannot express how big day for Indians today. So you all know that, because most of watching my friend, they are from India. So this is a very special day for every Indian. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.